Over the past year, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX, has been frequently featured in financial news and biotechnology reports, largely due to its ongoing leadership in the treatment of cystic fibrosis, CF, and its strategic advancements into new therapeutic areas. Vertex has maintained a dominant position in the CF space, with its portfolio of treatments, including Trikafta, Symdeko, and Kalydeco, continuing to drive significant revenue. Trikafta, in particular, has been a major contributor to Vertex's success, bringing in billions in sales as the most effective treatment for the largest group of CF patients. This dominance has positioned Vertex as a leader in the rare disease treatment market. One of the major developments in the past year has been Vertex's collaboration with CRISPR Therapeutics. Together, the companies have been advancing exagamglogene autotemcel, exa-cells, a gene-editing therapy for sickle cell disease, SCD, and beta thalassemia. This therapy uses CRISPR-Cas9 technology to edit patients' genes, offering the potential for a one-time curative treatment. Throughout 2023 and into 2024, news about the progress of this therapy has kept Vertex in the spotlight. The companies filed for regulatory approval for exa-cel in both the US and Europe, which marked a major milestone for Vertex in expanding beyond cystic fibrosis. The company's push into gene therapies is seen as a critical step in its diversification strategy. While Vertex has long been reliant on its CF treatments for revenue, the potential approval of exa-cel and the progress in gene editing could significantly broaden its therapeutic reach. Investors and analysts have closely followed this development, especially given the potential market size for these new therapies. As the regulatory review process moves forward, Vertex's stock has seen both boosts and fluctuations based on updates about the trials and anticipated approvals. In addition to exa-cel, Vertex has also been making strides in the development of other therapies. Its VX-548 program, aimed at treating acute pain without the risk of addiction, has generated substantial interest. This non-opioid pain relief treatment has the potential to tap into a large and growing market, particularly given the ongoing opioid crisis in the US. Clinical trials have shown promising results, and Vertex plans to continue advancing this program. The progress of VX-548 is seen as another important step in the company's effort to diversify its pipeline and reduce its dependence on CF-related revenues. Financially, Vertex has remained strong, reporting solid earnings throughout 2023, largely thanks to the success of its CF drugs. However, the company's stock has seen some volatility, particularly in response to broader market conditions, including concerns about rising interest rates and their effect on biotech stocks. Despite these macroeconomic headwinds, Vertex's long-term prospects remain positive, given its strong product pipeline and the potential for major breakthroughs in gene therapy. Another significant area of focus for Vertex has been its work in type 1 diabetes. The company's acquisition of Sema Therapeutics in 2019 has led to the development of VX-880, a stem cell-derived therapy for type 1 diabetes. This therapy aims to replace the insulin-producing cells that are destroyed in patients with the disease, offering the potential for a functional cure. In 2023, Vertex announced encouraging early data from clinical trials, showing that VX-880 could lead to meaningful improvements in insulin production and glycemic control. This news was met with enthusiasm from both the scientific community and investors, as type 1 diabetes remains a significant unmet medical need. In addition to its clinical developments, Vertex has been making headlines for its strategic business moves. In 2023, the company announced the expansion of its manufacturing capabilities, particularly in cell and gene therapies, which are critical to its future growth. This investment in infrastructure has been viewed as a sign of Vertex's long-term commitment to becoming a leader in genetic medicine. Analysts have noted that Vertex's forward-thinking approach, combined with its financial strength, positions it well to capitalize on emerging opportunities in the biotech sector. Despite the positive momentum, Vertex has faced some challenges over the past year. One ongoing concern has been the potential pricing pressure on its CF drugs, particularly as competitors look to develop treatments that could challenge Vertex's market dominance. Additionally, the company has faced some setbacks in its early-stage programs, including delays in certain clinical trials. However, these challenges have not significantly dampened investor enthusiasm, as the company's overall pipeline remains robust. In terms of stock performance, Vertex has generally outperformed many of its biotech peers, thanks to its strong revenue growth and promising pipeline. Analysts have remained bullish on the stock, citing the potential for major breakthroughs in gene therapy and non-opioid pain treatments as key drivers of future growth. While the stock has experienced some volatility, particularly in response to broader market trends, Vertex's strong fundamentals and strategic vision have kept it in favor with both institutional and retail investors. In summary, Vertex Pharmaceuticals has had an eventful and productive year, marked by significant advancements in its CF portfolio, promising developments in gene therapy, and the potential for major breakthroughs in pain management and type 1 diabetes. The company's strategic partnerships, particularly with CRISPR Therapeutics, have positioned it at the forefront of next-generation biotech, while its financial performance has remained strong. Despite some challenges, Vertex's future looks bright, with multiple potential blockbuster therapies on the horizon.